Hi, today I am going to do dynamic routing. To do dynamic routing, I am giving 3 routers with PC and switch on either of its sides. And first I am going to configure my PC1. And to configure PC1, I have to go to desktop and I have to on my IP configuration. In IP configuration, first I have to give the IP address as 192.168.1.0. As it belongs to class C, I am giving the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0 and default gateway I am giving 192.168.1.1. That's my PC1 is configured. And for PC2 I am giving again I'm going to desktop and I am giving IP configuration as, and I am giving the IP address as 192.168.3.10 and subnet mask as 255.255.255.0 and default gateway as 192.168.3.1. Thus my PC2 is also configured. And to configure PC3, again the same steps will be followed. I am giving the IP address as 192.168.5.10 and subnet mask as 255.255.255.0 and default gateway as 192.168.5.1. And to configure my routers, first I have to give the IP address for FA0 for router 1. I have to configure my router 1. I have to give FA0/0 and SC2/0. For FA0/0 I am giving the IP address as 192.168.1.1 and SC2 for serial I am giving 192.168.2.1. and for my router 0 I have 3 sites like 2 serials and 1 fast Ethernet and I am giving the IP addresses like for fast Ethernet 0/0 I am giving the IP address as 192.168.3.1 and for serial 2/0 I am giving 192.168.2.2 and for serial 3 I am giving serial 3/0 I am giving 192.168.4.2. After setting this and for my router 2 I am giving the I have to configure my router 2 by giving FA0 fast Ethernet 0/0 and SC2 serial 2/0 and to configure my router 2 for fast Ethernet 0/0 I am giving the IP address as IP address as 192.168.5.1 and for serial I am giving 192.168.4.1. and after setting this to do dynamic routing I have to give a special command like RIP router and I have to provide to make the router 1 dynamic I have to give the IP address like 192.168.1.1 and first I have to give to make the router 1 dynamic I have to give the commands like RIP router and network address 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.2.2 and to make router 2 dynamic I have to give the IP address like 192.168.5.10 and 192.168.4.2 and to make the router 0 as dynamic I have to give the addresses like network address 192.168.3.1 and 192.168.2.2 and 192.168.4.2. Now I am going to show my output by pinging. I am going to give the packets result is getting success. I got success.